The Professional Engineer's Gold Medal is the OPEA's highest honor, awarded only when there is an outstanding candidate. This award recognizes conscientious commitment to public service, as well as technical excellence and outstanding professional leadership. The recipient of this year's Gold Medal is Dr. Jing Jiang.
My name is Jing Jiang. I'm a professor in Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Western University. I grew up in China, in a city called Xi'an. That is where the terracotta warriors are. But I did my bachelor in China in electrical engineering. I came to Canada, landed September the 12th, 1982 in Vancouver. Then I moved from Vancouver, went to University of New Brunswick, did my master's and my doctorate degree. Then, interesting enough, I went to further east to St. John's, Newfoundland. I taught 3 years in Memorial University, and after that, Thunder Bay, Lakehead University. From 91, I came to London, Ontario, and joined Western University. So I've been here for 34 years. I'm from a family of engineering professors. My father is electrical engineering, specializing in power systems. My mom is chemical engineering, and so engineering comes naturally. Nuclear power plant is a very complex system, and they have many large pieces of equipment, but the thing to make them to work in an organized, safe way is the instrumentation and the control. Instrumentation is like human sensory systems, eyes and ears, and the control is like human muscles and taking actions. My interest is the research is looking at the different aspects of instrumentation. How do you measure the ones that are difficult to measure? How do you control the ones that are difficult to control to maintain safe operation, efficient operation of the plant? And more importantly, I think in university we're looking at two aspects: new technology to improve the operation. The second is educate future engineers. Currently, we are looking at advanced communication systems applied to nuclear power plant. For example, the 5G technology, how to acquire data, and because AI need data to process data to achieve the decisions. So how do you get the data? Wireless communication become a very convenient way. We're also looking at the fiber optic sensors. In Ontario, we are building small modular reactor, and those reactors is very compact in design. So we are looking at fiber optic sensors, which is very sensitive, which is very small in size. We're also looking at integration of small modular reactor with renewable energy, and so provide local distributed power generations. This will reduce the carbon footprint for power generation. I try to work with the other experts around the world through organizations such as the IAEA, the International Energy Agency. So we develop some kind of guidelines, and also working with the Canadian nuclear industry experts, looking at the industrial standards. I think the most important moment is when I was given the opportunity to be an Answer Union Industrial Research Chair in 2003. That's really put me in a direction where I can start working on the instrumentation control for nuclear power plant, in particular the CANDU plants. This opportunity is very treacherous to me. There are several contributions that I'm proud of. One is the safety system analysis, different techniques. We're also looking at the predictive safety systems, which is kind of using AI, but we use so-called Kalman filters to predict what's going to happen in the next milliseconds in the future. So this can help improve the safety margins. And recently, everybody looking at small modular reactor, SMRs. Again, we are one of the first in the world to constructing a small modular reactor right now in a Darlington nuclear power plant site. So this really gave Canada to lead again as a nuclear nation in small modular reactor. I think Stanford University developed a formula looking at researchers' impact of their contributions. I was also very fortunate to be among the top 2%. I think it's important to work on the problem with the practical significance. I think I always believe anything we do should have at least background information to identify what engineering problem we try to solve. And then when we spend time, effort on those problems, we will eventually have impact. I was very humbled to be informed that OPEA awarded me with the engineering gold medal. And I just personally feel that there are so many other outstanding engineers, some of them I personally know. I just feel very lucky I'm the one that being chosen.
For his lifetime contributions to engineering research, education, and industry partnerships benefiting Ontario, Canada, and the world, Dr. Jing Jiang is well deserving of the 2025 OPEA Gold Medal.